had a long stick or something, we could go get a problem.
There are robins in here.
On that little bitty thing.
There are robins in my atrium, and now
Redbird.
see the baby one up in the tree. It's the puffy one.
And see the mama, she's kind of watches. I keep the other one hidden because we're here.
Where's the other one?
I don't know, but I just saw something move over somewhere. Hold on, whatever.
We need to find their nest.
I know. The dad was just somewhere, cause like he was bright red.
Here, if you're video, we pull it up some photos of the baby.
I don't know where the parents went. Maybe they're trying to go get something to get them out.
We may have to move so they'll come back.
They may have given up on it.
No, they do have to get them out back on. That's the second pair of babies that redbirds we've had in here. I just don't know where their nest is.
Plus the squirrel that we've had in here before.
Yeah. But we got to actually
Watch
the
them
eggs
grow,
and
yeah.
everything on this last pair.
These just showed up.
I'm about to go look at the other side and look at the trees and see if I can find their nest.
I'm gonna take a few pictures. I'm gonna end this video.
Okay.